Welcome, guys. Since we tested yesterday and this is our last day before spring break, I thought I would kind of introduce the next unit, make it fairly easy on you, but still give us a little bit of a foundation so that once we get back from this extended break, we've got a little bit of a foundation. Now, before I get into what I'm going to ask you to do today, let's talk about the next 2 weeks. So after Friday, the school has asked us to really push you guys to work hard for the next 2 days so that then you can have a 2-week break. The school really wants you to be able to disconnect over spring break. They really want all of us corporation-wide to just disconnect after Friday and then take some time away, spend some time with our family, de-stress, not worry about school. Some of us need to catch up though. So, I kind of leave that to you. I am personally going to be trying to disconnect next week. I'll still be reachable, but I'm going to make a real effort to be present for my family, to be present for my kids. So I really want you guys to be able to do that. The second week is what we're calling a waiver week. In that second week, I'm on the clock, so I'm working. That is going to be a great opportunity for those of you that are behind to catch up. That's when you'll be able to ask me questions. Next week, maybe I'll be able to get back to you, but probably not quickly. It might be later that night when my kids are in bed or something like that. So that's what's coming the next 2 weeks. And so from that perspective, that's really our first hard deadline is the end of that second week. So today I've got 2 videos posted on the Canvas page. The first one is from Crash Course. It's about 8 minutes. The reason I chose to find videos on YouTube this time instead of making my own is this Crash Course video. I've used this video in the past, and what I love about it is that it brings a lot of ideas that we've talked about over a bunch of different units and really frames them, I think frames them really well in terms of solutions. So not one of their longer videos. Like I said, it's about 8 minutes. I think you'll find several of the kind of random things interesting. Then the second video is, I think it's another one I found on YouTube. It appears to be 2 teachers talking over a PowerPoint. They talk a lot about, again, it's only like 3 minutes long. It's a short one. But the video is about all sorts of particle diagrams. We're focusing on solutions. So the first, I think it's like 3.5 minutes, and the first 1.5 to 2 minutes isn't specific to this unit, but I would just watch the whole video. It's not like it's 2 hours long or anything like that. But I think it would help to watch the beginning stuff. I almost, you know how you can copy the link at a timestamp and then paste it in. I almost did that for this unit, or for today's page. But I went back and I watched the beginning of it a second time, and I thought, you know what, maybe that would benefit the students. So, 11 minutes of video isn't crazy. When you add in some pauses for your notes and things like that, I mean, maybe we're talking about 20 to 30 minutes of work, and I think that sounds like a reasonable amount for the day before spring break, the day after a test. So if you do have any questions today, don't hesitate to shoot me questions. Make sure you remember to submit your your picture evidence of your notes. Also, I would check Skyward. I would check the roadmap. I'd just make sure by the end of the day tomorrow that you're done with everything for Chem, and you can just relax for a couple of weeks. So hope you guys have a great day, great weekend, great break. Be safe, be smart, make good choices, put yourselves in good situations, all that good stuff. So I'll talk to you guys soon.